Fall is in full swing, and while that usually means sweet treats from the oven, don't forget the savory. This pumpkin brown butter risotto is smooth, creamy, and comforting. It'll be your new favorite side dish that you can't wait to dig into. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a saucepan on medium-high heat, add the 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add your onion, which you want in a fine dice like this. Add your minced garlic. I used a microplaner to get this consistency. Give it all a stir, making sure to break up the garlic, and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add your 2 cups of Arborio rice and toss the oil and onion mixture to coat and reduce your heat to medium. Add 1 cup of apple cider and stir often until the liquid is absorbed. I like to use unsalted chicken bone broth to add a little bit of protein to the dish. When the rice leaves a trail on the bottom like this, it's time to add more liquid. Add 2 cups of bone broth and stir, again making sure to stir until the liquid is absorbed. While that's absorbing, you can get to browning your butter. Add a 1/4 cup to a skillet on medium heat and let it start melting. Your liquid should be almost absorbed, and it's time to add the final 2 cups of broth. Give it a stir and check back in with your butter. Browning butter gives a nice nutty flavor. Check out my brown butter tutorial for more in-depth instructions. You can see by that lovely brown color that it's ready to go. Add 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning or ground sage to the brown butter and give it a stir and set it aside. Taste your rice. You want it to still be a little chewy, and then turn off the heat. Add your 15-ounce can of pumpkin and stir to incorporate. Then add a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of grated sharp cheddar or Romano cheese and stir. Finally, add in your brown butter, making sure to get all of the delicious brown bits and stir well to combine. Pumpkin brown butter risotto is easier to make than you might think. Risotto needs to be babysat a little bit, but it's so worth the effort. It freezes well, so you can make this batch, divide it in half, and bring it out when you need some fall comfort food. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.